Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you what is keratin treatment, what are results of it and how to apply it at home. So let's get started.
Keratin treatment is a chemical process that smooths and shines a frizzy hair. Keratin treatments fill in the porosity of your hair, as overly porous hair causes tangles, frizz and breakage, which is lost due to age and chemical services. Keratin treatments seal the added protein back into the hair with controlled heat, which gives your hair that smooth and frizz-free finish.
So actually keratin is a protein that helps strengthen your hair to avoid breakages, heat damage and frizz. And it's already naturally found in your hair, in your skin, in your nails, and also in some common beauty products for hair styling and treatments.
So why are there so many contradictory opinions about having these keratin treatments? Well, basically the fuss is all around one component, which is formaldehyde, which actually in the long run damages your hair more than it helps to strengthen and make them healthier. And also, by being exposed to it for longer hours, it actually may cause cancer, and also there are some very nasty side effects like bleeding nose, sore throat and others. Luckily nowadays we do have so many alternatives to having keratin treatments without this component. These, however, will not have the same hair strengthening effect, but will be much safer and still will add the needed shine and will fight the frizz of your hair. You just need to make sure that the product you're using is formaldehyde free and instead contains glyoxylic acid. So here we have found two options which are not that expensive. First, actually costs only around $20, is this Kativa alisado brasileno, while the other is Hantesis Kherapy and costs around twice as much. And you can also apply these at home, just like we are going to show you now. Also, one thing you need to know before you apply keratin treatment to your hair is that if you have dyed hair, it's most probably possible that your hair color will change after the keratin treatment. As you can see here, from colder blonde, I got my hair to much warmer blonde hair color, whereas Marta from really dark hair got a bit brownish, ginger type hair.
There are 6 easy steps that you should follow, and the result, depending on the product that you are using, should stay up to 6 months. And for these particular ones, up to 3 months. So first, we are going to use Kativa. Step number 1. Wash your hair with the added shampoo in the box. It's marked with number 1. Once clean, blow dry thoroughly. Step number 2. Apply the straightening cream. Let sit for 15 minutes and remove excess cream with the comb. Step number 3. Blow dry your hair. Leave the cream inside your hair while brushing. Step number 4. Iron your hair 8 to 12 times per each strand. Take thin strands for the process. Step number 5. Now rinse your hair with water and wash with shampoo and apply conditioner. Don't forget to wash it out. Step number 6. Blow dry your hair. It's ready! Here you can see before, during and after pictures. This result will last at least 12 weeks.
As we applied this product 2 weeks ago, here you can see the result of washing the hair and just blow drying it every day. It's still straight, as you can see, but there are 2 things I want to mention. One thing is that actually my hair got quite a lot damaged in the ends. Maybe it's because of the blonde hair that I have, but it got a lot drier than I was expecting. And the second thing is that if you have bangs like I do, well, after straightening your hair with keratin, it makes them really straight. It's like a wall straight. So it's not really up to my liking, because I do like the bangs a bit like curved. So if you do have bangs, then maybe you shouldn't be applying keratin to them.
So let's go to the second product, Hantesis, and the process is pretty similar. First, carefully wash your hair and dry it well with a towel. Then, divide your hair in 4 parts and apply the product in wet hair. Then leave it for 20 minutes. Next step, blow dry your hair without rinsing. Step number 4, iron your hair 200-210 degrees Celsius 6 to 8 times each strand of hair. Then, rinse your hair and apply keratin mask. Comb your hair and leave it there for a couple of minutes. Then rinse it out. And the last step, blow dry your hair and if needed, use also iron. And this is the result.
So here you can see the results of both of the products. As you can see, Kativa worked much better for straightening the hair, while Hantesis was actually much better at making your hair much smoother and much nicer and shinier.
Thank you for watching, and if you have found another nice and safe way how to smoothen your hair, let us know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and see you next week. Bye!